Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete Pinterest account forever. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your Pinterest app. From here, go to Profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the three dots on the top right. From here, select Settings. Now go to Privacy and Data. From here, scroll to the bottom. You will see an option that says Delete your account. Tap on that. On the next page, tap on Continue. Now, select your reason why you're leaving. After that, tap on Send Email. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We are dropping new videos every day to help all of you.